If you are missing teeth, you may be wondering whether dental implants or dentures are the better choice for restoring your smile. Both options can replace missing teeth, but they work very differently and offer different long-term benefits. Traditional dentures are removable and sit on top of the gums. They are usually more affordable upfront and can often be completed without surgery. However, dentures may loosen over time, especially as the jawbone shrinks after tooth loss. Some patients also struggle with movement while eating or speaking. Dental implants are different because they are anchored directly into the jawbone. This creates a more stable and natural feeling solution that can improve chewing ability, comfort, and confidence. One of the biggest advantages of implants is that they help stimulate the jawbone, which may reduce bone loss and help maintain facial structure over time. Patients who choose implants often report that they feel more like natural teeth and allow them to eat a wider variety of foods comfortably. For patients missing all or most of their teeth, options like all-on-4 dental implants can provide a full smile using a limited number of implants. That said, dentures may still be the right solution for some patients, depending on budget, health conditions, or personal goals.